What up, y'all? What's going on out there? Today, man, we'll be doing a little quick video. I'm gonna be installing some motorcycle lights, some LED light strips onto my motorcycle. Something quick. These right here just gonna be some old leftover lights that I had from my previous bike. The first time I put lights on, just gonna be red lights, not multicolored at all. Same process. I'm gonna show you the wind up process. Right now, I just got my plastic poured off just to make it a little bit easier. Before I get started, I gotta clean these off. So these plastics is pretty dirty. You gotta make sure they clean on the inside of the part that you stick it to. So I'm gonna take them outside and spray them off and clean them up real quick. I like to work on my actual plastics inside the house. That's where you can put the most of the lights on the side fairings. So I like to take them all the way off and work on them inside the house where I got the AC and stuff. You know, keep it cool in here. I'm gonna go ahead and take them outside, spray them off real quick. Got them all cleaned up now. They ready for me to put some lights on them joints. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be sticking the lights to the sides here, get everything like ready to get wired up pretty much. I don't got too many lights, cause I'm just using some old lights that I had left over from off my old bike. The first time I put lights on there, these lights are just red. Not many at all. So I'm not gonna be putting a lot of strips on. It's not gonna light up too much, but it's gonna be enough light to see you can notice that it's there. I have 3 lights this bike, actually 6 lights that's I think about 12 inches maybe. I have 2 of them that could be about 8 inches. Then I have 1 pod. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on each side. I'm gonna put 2 long strips and 1 short strip. That'll leave me with 2 long strips left. I'm gonna put 2 long strips in the back by my tag, by my tail light there, and put this 1 pod in front underneath the nose of my bike. Pretty much light up from the front to the back. So we're gonna use probably these ones right here. Get stuff right. I'll say these 2 right here for the back. So these lights right here that we're gonna put on the side plastics right here, which is on 1 plastic, it will be 2 long strips and a short strip. Right here, I'm gonna show y'all this little kit that I'm using. I want to pick this up right here. It's like a 400-piece kit or something like that. Y'all probably won't need nothing this big, but I know I'm probably gonna use a lot of it. So I'm gonna be wiring up some more stuff. Like when I redo my bike, I'm gonna actually put some more lights on it. I'm gonna redo it over the wintertime. These lights are just for right now. For a little, I'm mainly gonna need just like some connectors and stuff like that. You wouldn't need all this extra stuff. It's just stuff that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna use some double-sided tape here. Stick a lot better. Got some extra wires here. Just to run a little bit further. That's about it. All right, I went through and tested my lights out because I haven't even tested them to see if they worked or not. I brought the little battery out, little power wheel from my daughter's car. One of them I had to cut a little bit shorter. One of the longer strips I had to cut a little bit shorter. It stopped working right there, so I just cut it a little bit shorter. And one of them didn't even work at all. This one back here, this was real bad. That one didn't work at all. But this is what I got to work with right now. We got 4 long strips and pretty much 3 short ones. So what I did, I went and got my roller strips that I had. These are here motion lights. I didn't want to use these. I want to try to save them for something else, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and do it up, man. Put a little bit of extra lights on the bike, make sure it light up pretty good. First thing we're going to do now is start taping it up. I'm going to use my 3 double-sided tape. Make sure the back of these is pretty clean. Tape up the back side first. Then just place out where I want to put everything at. Then I'm just gonna stick these stickers down first, stick these lights down first. Then I'm gonna go through and see what else I need. We will start working with the road in. Right now, I'm pretty much just trying to line up where I want everything at. I think I'm gonna put the long strip, which is this one, stretch it out a little bit. I think this one's gonna go like right here. Put a strip up here probably. And a strip right here. thinking about putting another one right here on this one, or like right here. We're gonna go ahead and start sticking them right quick. Stuck the lights down this. I finished sticking the lights on the other one too. I had 2 to put on this one. So what I'm gonna do is this one have more holes and more holes you want to light up. So that's what I was aiming for. I was aiming to light up these holes right here. I know I'll be able to see them when I put the plastics back on. That's why I like lighting up the inside of my bike. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my roll strip that I got back here, right there. I'm gonna put 1 strip right here, just 1 extra one on this one. And also the same on this one, just 1 extra one to the top right there. Light up this hole pretty good, like this one really good. And I got 2 right here. This one pretty much gonna light these 2 here. And I got this long strip right here, just light up that hole. So other than that though, I think I'm just gonna use 2 strips just for 2 extra strips. And I still got these right here to put on my tail, on my back. When we get outside to the bike here, and this is what is going in the front right here, the paw. I ended up taping it up already. Before I put it up, I'm gonna cut the actual circle out. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this roll strip on real quick. Got my extra strip put up there. Now I'm about to just start wiring everything up. I already wired up these 3 right here. Just pretty much black, all the black to the black, all the red to the red. Here, I'm just gonna do the same thing here, match it up. Then I'm gonna put these 2 quick connects on it. I'm gonna use these for when I get ready to put it on the bike. I can have my longer wires coming out from here, hooking up to the toggle switch. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire it up right quick. Then we're gonna test it out, make sure these lights come on. All right, we got them all hooked up now. Just gotta test it out real quick. Hook up the black to black. Hopefully we get some lights. Camera action. And there we have it. Now I'm doing the same thing to the other one here. Then we're gonna go outside, get ready, finish hooking up the front and the back lights, and we're gonna wire everything up. All right, got the bike out now. I'll show y'all what all I took off of. Took my seat off, of course, so I can get to the battery. I lifted up my gas tank. I didn't need to take it off. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. The reason I did it just so I can make sure I tuck my wires pretty good so they can't be seen nowhere. I'm gonna run my wires from the side inside the gas tank here. And when I come from my LED in the front, I'm gonna run it underneath my gas tank here. Yeah, but took off my seat. I took off my back cow here so I might need to get to these little holes right here so I can bring my tail lights in. I'm gonna put the 2 strips I said, I'm gonna put them right down here. And just took off the little side pieces. You had to take that off so I can lift the gas tank up. Got that stuff sitting over there. But first up, man, I'm gonna go ahead and put these 2 tail strips on. Since I done cleaned this area right here, then 2 strips is gonna go right there. All right, y'all, this is what we got so far right here. Put the strips under here and just pull the wires in. The wires came in right by the battery actually. It's pretty cool. So that's what's up. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the front now. I'm gonna put the little pod. I'm gonna set it right underneath the nose, like right here, somewhere right there in the middle. I'm just gonna run the wire all the way back. Done stuck the front pod on here now. I don't know if y'all can see this right there though. And I got the wire in right there. I'm gonna pull it a little bit tighter when I get everything together. I ran it underneath there. You probably can't see it, but I got it coming up through the gas tank right here. Pull it tight and I'm gonna run it down right here. Probably meet up the wire somewhere here in the middle. Yep. I think the next thing I'm gonna do now is I think from look for a spot for my switch. I might have it like I had my old bike, my toggle switch. I think I'm gonna put it right up in here. That'll be perfect. All right, I'll share a little update what I did. I just extended the wires from the back ones. I just ran 2 wires, just hooked up together. I ran 2 wires up here to the front to meet up with the other ones here. Now I'm about to hit the side sewing and extend those wires. I put some connector wires on the edge of those. We'll connect all 4 of these together. Then we're gonna start, after that right there, we're gonna start wiring up the switch. I found a spot I'm gonna put the switch at. This is my toggle switch I'm gonna use right here. Lights up red. And I'm gonna sit it about right here. I think I like that. All right, off camera again, I just made the 2 connector cables. 2 for this side of the bike. When I said I was gonna do the quick connects for the insides in here, hook it up right there. The 2 cables right there. Now, the reason I do that is for like if I want to take my side plastics off, I won't have to worry about unwiring the whole bike. I can just pull them quick connects out. This ain't gonna come out. And these are the ones for the other side over here. I just size them up, see how long I need them. These ones can connect, and they all gonna meet here in the middle. Wire everything up right here in the middle. Then we're gonna run everything right here to our toggle switch we're gonna pick right here. And the toggle switch, run to the battery. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hook these quick connects up. Then I think I'm gonna start getting the toggle situated, getting the wires ran for the toggle. Give y'all a little update. I put the connector pieces on the sides and I ran the wires in there. From this side, this is going all the way underneath through here. The other side's coming in through this way. Then all the wires met right here in the middle, and I just connected all 4 wires right here together, coming off of these 2 wires right here, which I'm gonna run. One's going to the ground and this one's going to the toggle switch. So now I'm gonna start working on wiring up the toggle switch. All right, I want y'all to check this out right here. This is my ground wire coming into my toggle switch. This right here is connected to all the ground wires that I had my lights on. And I have one more wire coming from it going up to my battery. I'm connected to the negative post to my battery here. So going from my battery, connecting to all the ground wires on my LED lights and coming back here, which I'm gonna hook up to the toggle switch. This right here is the power wire that's coming from all my toggle switch. This is what's gonna be supplying all the power to my LED lights. This right here is coming to the toggle switch. From the LED lights to the toggle switch, this is the power wire from all the lights. Then the last wire I'm gonna hook up is this right here. I like to put a fuse in the line just in case some short circuits that'll blow the fuse, won't mess nothing else up. You don't have to use the fuse. All you can do is just connect just another red wire going from your toggle switch straight to the battery. Cause that's gonna be the last thing we have to do here. I'm gonna give you a look at it here. This is my toggle switch that I'm using. This prong right here, this gold prong. This right here is for your ground wire. This is gonna be for the black cable right here. Then the one in the middle is gonna be for my power cable, for my fuse line on. This is one that's gonna be running actually to the battery. Then the last connector here is one I'm gonna connect the LED lights to, the power to the LED lights. So when I flip the switch, it's gonna power on the LED lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the wire for this. Then I'm gonna hook all of them up, flip the switch, make sure it works first before I start reattaching everything. Cause I haven't put the sides nothing back on. I just got them sitting up there and I haven't stuck this up here yet. All right, I got all the wires ran now. This is the actual power cord coming in, the fuse right here. I took the fuse out for right now until I hook everything up, till I hook the toggle switch up. Got them both hooked up to the battery right there, the ground and the positive. Everything's hooked up down here. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the fuse now on camera. I mean, not the fuse, but the toggle switch so y'all can see it for sure. It's in the off position right now. This is off, this is on. As you see, this is the gold right here, and these are the 2 silvers. So this is gonna be our ground. Our ground's going on first. All right, there you go. I just got these up there temporary sport. I'm gonna have to put them up there a little bit better here in a minute. Make sure everything working. Put the freeze in line. See what we got. All right, we got our freeze in. Let's go ahead and flip the switch. We got some lights. There we go. We lit up. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and finish hooking everything back up. Put the switch on up here, then we're gonna tighten everything up. See what it looks like. All right, I got the switch installed now. That's where it's gonna be at right there. I'm gonna give y'all a quick walk around, see what it look like. We got it on right there. See everything's lit up. In the front right here. On the side, so yeah, we look good in the back. Yeah, lit up in the back, nice. All right, y'all, now just gotta put everything back together. Make sure the wires still tucked good. Just gonna slap everything back together now. Let's go. All right, y'all, just got everything back together, man. It's perfect timing because it's just now getting a little bit dark out here. I'm inside my garage. Let's go ahead and turn it on so we can see what it look like at nighttime. Get all that night vision. Looks clean, man. I like the way it turned out. Ooh, she lit up. Looking good, I like it. Turned out to be the right amount of light, man. Not too much, not too much overpowering or nothing like that. I ain't want to like too exaggerating, but oh yeah, we can see it. She lit up. All right, man, that's gonna be it right there. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Go. If anybody wanting to see the rebuild of my garage in process right now, I got a first video that's up right now. Y'all can go check that out. It's on my other page. Make sure y'all check that page out, the DDP Experience. You can see the first part of this rebuild right here was like just the tear down right now. Just tore everything down, clean everything up out of it, got the car and got the bikes and everything out of it. Make sure y'all check that video out. Subscribe to that channel also.